Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Martine Chiella. So this vlog today is just gonna be a quick one because I know I've seen this question before, and I just concerning like how to like close off your cottage if you're doing like semi seasons. You're not doing like the full-blown season, you're not open for the winter. So this is what I technically do to kind of like close off mine. This is what I was shown by an auntie of ours because she has a cottage as well. So this is what I just do so that little animals and little things like that like don't come in like little places. So I'll show you guys what I do. Okay, so right here I have the sea salt, and then I have here the wool here. This is the one that I use, the steel wool. Okay, so this is the one that I take. So once I take it out of this package right here, I stretch it out, and I'll show you what I do with it in 1 second. Okay, so I also have these packet of bowls here. You can get like a pack of these like at Walmart or anywhere. These plastic bowls, they have a cover. And I use these bounce sheets right here, as well as this one right here. You can use any of these scented laundry stuff right here, so whatever brand they use, as long as it's scented. Okay, so now what we do with this right here is when we get to like the edge of like the windows like this, what I try to do is, well, I can't open it right now because it's closed and I'm holding the camera, but so what we do is we open the window, okay, and then at the edge here we put some of those beads right there. Okay, so as you can see, it's right there. So what that does is like, it just like it leaves like a scent there, so like little like bugs and animals don't really like the scent of fragrance like that. So that's what I do. I put it right there. So that's what I do right there. So what you're gonna do is we put it all on all the windows of the entrance, the bathroom, and everything. And then when you have the steel wool stretched out, what I do, one of the places that I do is I wrap the end of the pipes. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I put steel wool at the end of the pipe right here. And in places like over there, because there's little openings right over here, and you don't want like little animals creeping in to come find like warm spots. And then I put like scented dry sheets right here. Okay, so just a little bit more scented stuff. So that's what I do under the sink. You can do that anywhere else that is like opened up like that with little vents that are opened. Okay, so this is just my packet of all the stuff that I usually leave. And then so for here, what I done is I took one of the bowls, I put the sea salt inside, I put the scented beads inside as well for extra scent. What I did is, if your vent lifts, you lift it up, you put a layer of the steel wool, okay, and then you put the dryer sheets that are scented as well on top, and then you cover it up like that. If this doesn't lift and it's on the ground, what you can do is just take the bottom piece and put it on top, and then you put the salt on top. So that's what I did. Okay, so this will prevent like any little animals that are maybe like trying to crawl in and trying to find like a warm spot to kind of like come into the place. And so for the bigger vent, so this is what I do. I pretty much just lay out the same way. So you would do the steel wool, and then you would do the dryer sheets, and then on top, this is for like just a little bit of extra weight on top, so nothing kind of pushes through. And then you have your extra scent in here. What I also do is I put scent stuff, like I kind of like leave them all over the place. Like even in like the microwave, I kind of like left one right there. In the cabinets as well, I try to leave them like on top, you know, so everywhere as well I leave them in there as well. As you can see, I try to leave those scents kind of like everywhere, because I know like little animals don't really like scents, and they will try to come in and look for like little cushiony warm spots. For instance, this chair right here, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift it once, just last minute here. I'm going to lift this one and I'm going to put sheets, dryer sheets under here as well. This one I already lifted it and I put it right here. I removed the carpet because it's another warm little spot, like things can go underneath and just sit. And because there's another vent thing right in the middle, I did that as well there. So every vent is covered. What I also do is I come in, I take out all of the pillow coverings as well as the bed covering, and I'm taking those home to wash so that I can bring them in next season. And the top here is where I just kind of like store my leftover stuff that I put over here. In the fridge, again, I've emptied out like any like ice or anybody would have left in here. We just want to keep it clean and empty. And the only thing I'm leaving in here is like a baking soda, forget for scent. And that's pretty much it for in here. Okay. Everything is cleared out and removed. Okay, so in here, we put the stuff that's our outside, including this piece right here where sometimes they would do like a little bonfire thing, like right there. And then these tanks, we put them in here, lock it up, and this is the shed that is hosting all of pretty much the outside stuff. And that's pretty much what we do in terms of clothing. So I'm like missing two of these chairs right here that we had left outside for the little bonfire section. And I see one of our neighbors, literally like 2 houses down, has like 2 of these, but I didn't want to go over there and just pick it up and assume that it's mine. I am going to talk to management. Watch, guys. Okay, so you guys see, like after 1, 2, you guys see it right there? Yeah, I literally see their chairs, and I see 2 of mine right there. My husband stopped to look at it. I think he's gonna take a picture. Anyways, that's so funny. Okay, yeah, I think they stole our chairs. Maybe they were hosting and they saw extra chairs here, and then they came and took ours, but that's okay. Yeah, so everybody has like their chairs. As you guys can see, it's like a certain amount. Guys, come. Jeremiah. Okay guys, so that's it for the video. I just wanted to show you guys a quick way on how we just kind of close off our little cottage here so that we prep for the winter season and then reopen back up for the following later. Okay guys, that was it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope this was helpful, and I will see you guys all in the next video. Also, if you have any questions, put them down below and we can get the discussion started. Bye for now.